Hey and welcome. In this video we are going to be running Pocket Option bot that I have made, and we're going to run it for 24 hours. So let's see if the robot will make money over a longer period of time or not. So I'll basically let it run till tomorrow. So if you find that interesting, well, then make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this. Because yes, I am working constantly on this robot, so it will better and better, and I will tell you when I have new updates that will make it big difference so we trade even better. Because every time I see a loss, I go in and I check why we got a loss, and I make a few changes so we get a higher and higher win rate. So if also you want to run this robot, it's completely for free. Use the link that you find below the video and you can get started with this binary option robot today also for Pocket Option. Now let's start it up. I will start up the robot now and I will make some few updates through all the day till tomorrow. This will all of course be in the same video you're looking right now. So let's see how much money or losses we get by tomorrow. So I will now jump over to here. It's on my demo account because I still do not have my main account available yet, and I can't fund another account while I have account from before. So let's run this on a demo account and let's see how he will do. So what we'll do now, I will just start this pair here, let him take one trade, and then I will do some updates through the night. So let's go here now, we turn it on. I don't want to have limits on this martingale, so let's put 10 times. The good thing is that he have a very specific system to make it very safe, so he don't trade the same way, because sometimes the market can go crazy and go in one way. This one is a little smarter, so we will never get to 10 times, but let's see. Then let's start it up. There. Now he will start to collect data, he will look through the chart, he will add all the indicators that we have, and when you have done all that, he will then start trading. So now let's wait till we have the first trade live, and then after we will just see how this will go. So the first trade is live already. Like I said, we will let this robot just run through the night. So let's see the first result here now. Let's see till we have one winner, and then I will stop this video, and I will yeah, for you this will be all in one video, of course. So let's see here now how the first trade go. And the cool thing is that we will all the time have a view here how much profit or losses we have. Hopefully tomorrow is a big green number here. Will not be too big, of course, because we trade with $1. But this is for you to have a good idea about how good or bad this robot is, so you can start with it yourself. So let's see. Looks like the first trade is going to be a nice winner, and there we have it. We got a win, and now in a little time it should come up here as a profit. Let's just wait for that, and there we have it. We made almost $1. Of course this is on demo account, but if this was a real account now, I would basically have a $1 trade. Now he's just looking for new entries for the same pair. So that's it. Then we will see in a little while. Keep looking the video, because all will happen in this video, and let's see how much money we make in 24 hours. So now, as we can see, the robot have now been running for around 1.5 hours. We can see he have done quite a lot of trades, 33 winners and 29 losers. And as you can see, we have a $22.64 profit. Let's finalize the trade he's doing now, and we will let him continue through the day. I probably will update one more before I go to sleep, and of course, like I said, all this will be in the same video for you, but just so you have a little of the timeline of what we are doing. So let's see, we will just get a winner now before we move on, and let's see how things will look later on. Looks like we might get a loser here now. Let's see. That means we will go in with a martingale. And as you see, not too scary martingale till now. As you can see, I've done like 33 trades and 29 losers, so that means we don't have many losers in rows. That's a very good sign. That means he's have a decent win rate. Now he did take a continuation upwards, and this is what I talked about. Sometimes it's scary with the martingale if you take the same direction all the time. This one don't do that, so that is why this one is much safer than any other robots that are using martingale. So, but might be the two losers in a row. Let's see what he will do. Me personally, I probably will have taken a sell trade there, but that's the thing. We trade often with the emotions, and emotions say that we are high, but who say we are high? It's the mind say we are high. So sometimes the AI know better than us. But let's see here now how that will turn out. It's more 10 seconds, and he shoot up. See, I would have done a short trade there, and I would have lost. You see, so 4, 3, maybe. Let's see. 3, 2, we got a winner. So there. So that was just a small update. As you can see, we are making good money. Let's just let him calculate in this, and you can see we are now $23 in profit, 34 trades and 30 losers. Amazing. So let's see how he will continue. We have now been running the bot for around 4 hours, and you can see we got a winner now. The only change I did change the bid to $5 instead of 1, just to get a little more action. Also, I changed this multiplier here from 2 to 3, just so we earn a little more when he's martingale. One thing you'll see here now, that he is trading even when say start the bot, because when you push here and open again, this red stop button will go away. So the only way you need to do, he is running now, but just so you know, the only thing you need to do to stop it when you have started from before is to just push start and stop again. Then you actually are stopping the bot. So he's basically now running. So just so you are aware of that. So with that, I will update again in a little while, probably not more today, so next update will actually be tomorrow. Have an amazing day. Till now. So now we have been running this binary option robot for pocket option for 24 hours. I did let it run all night long. I did a few changes along the way. I did run it on $1, then I did change it up to like 5, then I did change the multiplier to 3. I did see that that was a little too much because the numbers go faster up. Of course you make more money, but also can be more risky. So I did find a sweet spot to like 2.2. So did we make money through this 24-hour stress test? And what did we learn by using this binary option robot for 24 hours? All of this we will see now. So let's go over to pocket option. We are here now. Let's open this up. Let's take a look. So as you can see, we did around, we can see 600, not around, but exactly 630 trades. Of that, 307 wins and 323 losses. So that shows that it's quite good. We still have a lot of work on, because I would like the win rate to be at least around 70%. So there are a few changes that I will do with this robot. So there will come new versions out, but the good thing we can see, he do make money. He did run for 24 hours. The win rate is around 50%, and you need to remember this is included with losses, and wins is included when he martingale. So you see that as we're winning 307 and we lost 323, he have not needed to martingale so many times. I did check a little back in history. The most I did see was 4 times. So that is something you can calculate yourself then. So for this looks good, but I am going to make a new version. But for now, you can use this one here. It's making money already. You find a link below the video. I will leave 2 links this time. One for the site where you have all the information, and one directly for just install directly on the Chrome extension. Also, the new version that I will make will be a little different, will be the same look, but I'm going to make safe and super safe. What means with that is that he will take less trades, but he will be a little stricter with the trades he take, so the win rate go up. The target with this is that martingale, it will be optional. So you can run it without martingale and you still make money. But if you want to make big money, you still use martingale. So this I'm going to make on the new version. Later versions I'm going to make, so for example, if you take the super safe one that take few trades, that he automatically trade on many pairs. That will be a version coming also in the future. So with that, make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn the bell notification on, because in every video I will tell you what I have done in the newest version, so you know if you want to install the newest version or not, or if you think the older version is good enough for you. The thing is, this is an ongoing project. I'm going to make it better and better, but already I will say I'm pretty satisfied. We made money for 24 hours. So you can see $1,054 in this stress test for running a binary option robot for 24 hours. I'm very satisfied with that. So with that, have an amazing day, and I'll see you on the next.